Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs on the back and the sides. Now taking small section of the hairs, join them like this on the back one by one. After joining it, fix them together on the back using the rubber bands and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs and then fix the thread on it like this. Divide them into two parts. Now for fixing the thread, we will make the plaits on the hairs like this. Tie it properly as shown in the video. So use the technique to make the plaits, but here it will look different. Fix it and pull out the hairs from the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take small section of the hairs and make the plaits on it and fix it on the top like this. Now take the clips and fix it as shown in the video. Follow the same step for the other side. Now join all the hairs on the back like this and make the plaits. After making the plaits, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back, divide them into two parts. Now divide the hairs into front. Now join them on the back like this, fold it upward and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides, make the plaits. Now join the hairs on the sides, fold it using this hair styling tool. Now take the hairs from the back and divide them into small sections and it's ready. Next, we'll tie the hairs. Now divide them into two parts. Make the plaits in the front part. Now fold it upward and make a heart shape on the top. Tie the hairs using the rubber bands. Fix them on the sides, fold it upward and it's ready. Thanks for watching.